Hi everybody. Sync with eBay button. What does it do? The Sync with eBay button allows you to sync on eBay with the active listings on AutoDS. Why is it necessary? Because this action of syncing the number of active listings on eBay with the number of active listings on AutoDS is something that is happening every 48 hours for each user. Sometimes there might be cases when you'll be deleting items directly from eBay, or items will be removed by eBay, and then you'll see a case where you actually try to edit an item and you'll get an error that this item is no longer available on eBay. It has ended. So in order for you to prevent editing items and working hard for nothing, it's always recommended to click this button, Sync with eBay. It's on your active listings page. So once I click here, Sync with eBay, the system will check how many active listings I have on eBay. Let's say I have 20 there now, and we'll sync it with the number that we see here. So after around 1 hour, I should be seeing here 20 entries because I have 20 active listings on eBay. Or if I had less, 10 active items, I would see 10 here. Once you can click this button every 3 hours, now you can see it's unclickable, and it's really recommended to click it and use it before you start working, especially if you have a really big account and you keep making changes to it via eBay. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, please address us at the support chat right here.